There's nothing better than seeing your friend for the first time in years and picking up right where you left off like no time had passed at all. But how do you know if a friendship is low maintenance or if you've just drifted apart? Reed was my absolute best friend growing up. But when we moved away and went to different universities, it got to the point where I hadn't seen or talked to him in years.
Now, even though we weren't talking much, our mom still chatted all the time. Charlie's mom had mentioned to mine that there would be an upcoming build week at Cabin's Neighborhood Zero, and he needed someone with a remarkable skill set to come save the day.
Now, even though I knew I'd have to explain every step in what we're doing, maybe 3 or 4 times at least, I thought having an extra pair of hands would be useful for putting up some siding on the bathhouse. Plus, it'd be an opportunity to see my childhood best friend for the first time in years. Things would be the same, right?
So happy.
You know, the one downside to a cowboy hat is you can't lean your head back.
Oh!
Right?
Both of us had changed quite a bit in the past few years, but that spark we have together didn't waver. Immediately, we were joking around and laughing our asses off at the smallest or silliest of things, reminiscing on our childhood days and debating what we'll be doing years in the future. One thing felt certain. Regardless of the days, months, years, or even decades that'll pass, we'll always be friends. As long as we finish that bathhouse, that is.
And thank God we did. I was so close to leaving our friendship in 2016, but when that last piece of siding went up, it was clear we still got it.
It's these low-maintenance friendships that can simultaneously remind you of who you are, who you'll always be, and also how much you've changed over the years.
A comforter and some pillows would be nice.
Yeah. Lying on a metal frame isn't the best.
Maybe one of those, those onesies that are super furry.
Oh, I think they're called...
Say it on 3. 1, 2, 3. Unagagis.
You never really know when the next time the stars will align and you'll get to see your low-maintenance friend again. I mean, if you told me that the next time I'd see my friend Reed from Toronto would be when I moved to the middle of Texas, I might look at you a little crazy, then realize it's just as likely as anywhere else. I don't know when I'm going to see Reed again, and I don't think he knows when he'll see me either.
Hopefully in a while.
Yeah, dude, oh my God, this whole week was a little too much.
I need a break, man.
I need like 2 or 3 years.
You're really clingy. Stop touching me. Stop that. Stop.